How to add a batteries widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on a blank spot. So here, tap on a blank spot and then tap on the edit button at the top. Next, from the pop-up menu, tap on add widget. Then we scroll down and in here, tap on batteries. Next, you can select a small size, medium size, or a large size. So swipe across and select a widget size. Then tap on Add Widget. And then it will be added to your home screen. Now tap anywhere or tap on the Done button to save the changes. Now if you want to change the size of the widget, you can touch and hold on the widget. And then you can select a smaller size, or you can choose a medium size or a larger size. And that's it. So that is how you can change the widget size after you have added to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.